Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. So let's get started. First of all, you need to search on Google Amazon Associates and click the link and this will take you right over here. Maybe not here because this is where I have already logged in, and what you can do, just go ahead and sign up to your Amazon Associates. This is the first step which you need to do, and this will allow you to use affiliate links. Once you sign up, and you will tell Amazon that what you are going to do and what are the strategies you are going to choose, why are you choosing Amazon Affiliates. You need to provide all this information, and obviously there is nothing very serious. You just need to enter information. Once you enter that, you will end up over here. After a few some time, once your application went to your Amazon, this will be approved to your Amazon that you can obviously use your Amazon Associates with this ID. Once you've done all of this, what you are going to do, this is the first step which you need to do, which is very important. What you are going to do, you are going to search for your product. For this, you can just go ahead and search for Amazon.com and you will end up over here, and you can choose any Amazon product from over here. So for this tutorial, I can go any one of them, and if I click on computer, you can see that we will have multiple things out here which I can choose it from. But for this tutorial, I'm just going with the anime shirts, and this is very easy in my opinion to create affiliate links and to get attraction on Pinterest, in my opinion. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose this one because this is at the top. You can obviously go ahead and choose your own product. So once you select the product, and for this tutorial is this one for me, I'm going to select this, and at the top left corner, you will find Amazon Associate. If you have already created the associated account, this is where you will find get link. Click on text, and this is the link which we were looking for. Obviously, we have the full link of this page as well, but we are going for the short one. Just copy this and paste that somewhere which you can use it later on. Right now, your Amazon work is done. Now we are going to on Pinterest. You just need to sign up to your Pinterest, and this is where you will end up. Obviously, you will not see something like this. This is all depend on my search. So this is why it's showing up like this. And what you are going to do once you log in, at the top left corner, you will find create. Once you click on this option, this is where you are going to create your pin. Here you are going to add an attractive Amazon affiliate link, or you can say Amazon affiliate link image over here. Image is very important. It should be very attractive and eye pleasing. Otherwise, people won't click on that, right? So first of all, where you can find the images, right? Go back, and here we have those images as well. So you can just save that from over here. So I'm going to do that. So I have saved that image over here. I'm going to save only one image for this tutorial just to show you how it's done. And after that, what you can do, you can get the help from Canva to create a card, you can say, which you can upload over here. So I'm going to open Canva, and obviously this is very useful for different purposes as well. And this is free. You just need to go ahead and click on start designing and click with your Google account. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on this one and click on continue. Once I do that, you can see I have already logged in just few seconds, and you are going to search for Pinterest. And once you search for Pinterest, what would happen that Canva will show you all the designs related to your, like, obviously how Pinterest designs should look like. And you can see these are some designs which you can use it for your own purpose. So for this tutorial, I'm going with the very similar like this one. And obviously you can create your own design by the scratch. At the top right corner, you can see you can create that. But for this tutorial, I'm going to select the template and just click on this, click on customize this template, and it will open up in a new window. Here I'm going to add an image at the background, which I have already downloaded from over here. So this is what I'm going to add, and let's see how it's going to look like. The background, once you add that, so this is how it's going to look like. So obviously I'm just going to, use some very fast pace of this editing. Obviously this is not about editing. This is all about Amazon affiliate. So I'm just going to add some stuff over here very quickly. Like, obviously this is going to be very good. So I'm going to write anime shirt, and you can go ahead and do multiple things over here right now. I'm just going with this one, which is very simple and very attractive in my opinion. And, everything should be very minimal in my opinion. So I'm just going to save this image from over here at the top right corner. Just click on JPEG, or you can also download with the PNG version as well. So I'm going with this one. So you can see that I have created the pin and I have already uploaded that card over here. This looks good in my opinion. This is very minimal and very attractive as well in my opinion. And you just need to enter the description over here, the link of the affiliated link, and the board. If the board is actually the organized stuff for your own pin, right? So this is not very important, but if you want to add board, like organize or make a folder for all the affiliated products which you are affiliating, obviously you can go ahead and do that. But if you don't want this right now, you can just leave it as it is. You can also add this to another board as well. Right now, you can see that we have tag topics. If you want to add tag topics, this is very good in my opinion. If you want to add tag topics, the first one would going to be obviously anime drawing. People search for anime drawing and they will see something like this. They might click on this and after that they will choose your affiliate link. Now, there are two things which is very important for this is to disclose your affiliate link. How you can disclose, you just need to enter that over here. Simple is that. But if you don't want to disclose your link, your affiliate link, what you can do, you can create a free website. How you can create a free website? We have two options. The first one is Wix and the second one is Google Sites. You can get the help from Google Sites. You can see that this is where I can add as much as I want my, affiliate links over here. Let's say if I want to add the affiliate link of that page over here, I'm going to copy this again and go back to that Google site, paste that over here, and this is how it's going to be look like. Obviously, you can just go ahead and create more appealing. Right now, I'm just going to show you how it's going to look like. Let's say if you have written something over here like affiliate link, or you have a whole paragraph related to that, the product you are selling. So what you can do, just select any one of them, go ahead and click on this insert link, and here you are going to insert the link of that affiliated link, right? So you can apply that. What would happen once someone's going to end up over here and read that article, they might find this link and click on this, and this would take them over here. So this is how you can use that. If you don't want to show your affiliate link, don't want to disclose your affiliate link on your Pinterest. So this is how you can do it. And once you do that, what you can do is just go ahead and copy this site URL, obviously, go back to this page and add that over here. In this way, you don't need to disclose your affiliate link. So obviously people would think differently, but here you can do, you can promote your own different products. If you want to add more anime shirts there, you can use the same website which you can use for different products as well. So you can add more over here, in my opinion. So make sure to add description, and the title is very important. Title, you can name anything, but make sure it should be attractive and should be concise, in my opinion. Once people see this, they should, understand what is going on and what they might get later on. So these are some few things which you need to do to promote your Amazon affiliated links on Pinterest. Make sure to disclose your affiliate links if you are not using these kind of stuff on like Wix or Google Sites or different any free website if you are using. So make sure that your Pinterest look good, obviously, and add tags as much as you can, because people once search this anything related to your product, they might end up over here. So that's it. After that, at the top right corner, you just need to click on publish. Obviously, I'm just publishing like this, and if you click on that view, you will see how it's going to look like. Right now, obviously, I haven't edited anything, but you can do that and you get the idea how it's going to be done. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. I hope you understand every single thing. If you follow every single step, you might be ready to promote your affiliate links on Pinterest. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.